Question. DS. What is the units digit of 18 to the power of n? Condition 1. When n is divided by 4, the remainder is 3. Condition 2. When n is divided by 5, the remainder is 3. Solution. Let us solve this DS question using the variable approach. Units digit. The units digit is the last digit in a whole number or the digit before the decimal point in a number with a decimal. For example, the units digit of 12,345 is 5, and the units digit of 67.89 is 7. Now, when we take the power of a number, the units digit will remain the same or will repeat after every second or fourth power. Thus, we can directly find the units digit of a power of any number when we know that the units digit of the base number recurs periodically after every fourth power or second power. Units digit 8. The digit 8 repeats after every fourth power. That is, 8 to the power of 1 equals 8. 8 to the power of 2 equals 4. 8 to the power of 3 equals 2. 8 to the power of 4 equals 6. And 8 to the power of 5 equals 8, and so on. Thus, the pattern is 8, 4, 2, 6, 8, 4, 2, 6, and so on. Let's apply 3 steps of the variable approach. Let us follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. Now, let us modify the original condition. We know that the units digit of 18 to the power of n will be the same as the units digit of 8 to the power of n. Therefore, the pattern would be 8, 4, 2, 6, 8, and so on. We know that the units digit 8 reoccurs periodically after every fourth power by the property of units digit mentioned above. We have to find the value of the units digit of 18 to the power of n. Since the question is asking for the units digit, you should look for divided by 4, because the cycle is repeated after every fourth power. That is why A is the correct answer. Thus, let us look at condition 1, which tells us that when n is divided by 4, the remainder is 3. Thus, n equals 4 times k plus 3, and therefore, the units digit of 18 to the power of n will be the same as the units digit of 18 to the whole power of 4 times k plus 3, or 8 to the power of 3. Hence, the units digit will be 2, as 8 to the power of 3 equals 2. Since this condition has a unique answer of 2, this condition is sufficient by GMAT, which states that the number of answers must be 1. Divided by 4 is the important part here. Condition 2 tells us that when n is divided by 5, the remainder is 3. Thus, n equals 5 times k plus 3. If n is 3, then the units digit of 18 to the power of n will be the same as the units digit of 18 to the power of 3, which is 2, since 8 to the power of 3 equals 2. However, if n is 8, then the units digit of 18 to the power of n will be the same as the units digit of 8 to the power of 8, which equals 8 to the power of 4, which equals 6. Thus, this condition has no unique answer, and is not sufficient by GMAT, which states that the number of answers must be 1. Condition 1 alone is sufficient, thus A is the correct answer. Answer A.